been thinking a lot about what to say, but I don't know if I can say it to your face. Tell me, how am I supposed to live this way? Can we forget about the consequences, babe? 'Cause you got me on a string, summer dream. You pull me right back in, summer dream. And I can't fight the tide tonight. Somehow this wrong feels right. You're my summer dream. Take my hand, 'cause I've got no other plans. You're the one I choose regardless of the circumstance we're in. Yeah, you're the one I choose every single time of any day. You got me on a string, summer dream. You pull me right back in, summer dream. And I can't fight the tide tonight. Somehow this wrong feels right. Am I the one to blame, summer dream, for all these feelings I can't shake? Summer dream. No, I won't fight the tide, 'cause darling, you've got my heart on fire. Will you remember me from that summer? Will you remember me from that summer I'll dream about it forever? You're my summer dream. Hi guys, I'm Miguel Escueta and you were watching Letters and Music. Enjoy and please subscribe now.